Namaskar. Do you often find yourself struggling to fall asleep and not getting good quality rest? Sleep isn't just about resting, it is the nature's way of pressing a reset button, refreshing both your body and mind. Today, let's understand a very effective pranayama to get a good sleep, and that is Bhramari Pranayama. The word Bhramari comes from a Sanskrit word Bhramar, the black bee. The soothing humming sound of the bee, which we imitate during this pranayama, has the incredible power to calm the mind down, has the incredible power to calm your nervous system and promote better sleep. Let us see how to do it. Sit in any meditative posture like Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, etc. Or sit on a chair with your back straight if you are not able to sit on the floor. Keep your palms on your thighs. Gently close your eyes. Keep your mouth closed throughout the practice. Take deep inhalation and make a sound of humming bee while exhaling slowly, smoothly, and continuously. The sound need not be very loud, but it should create vibration. Practice 5 rounds per session with pause in between rounds. If you practice Yogendra Bhramari Pranayama daily, you will feel for yourself how it takes you to a meditative state and makes your mind absolutely quiet. This helps you to let go of any stress that you may have accumulated during day, which is preventing you from sleeping well. The sound vibration drown out the noise of other thoughts. There are studies on this pranayama which show that the humming sound that you may make during exhalation stimulates your vagus nerve. It relaxes your parasympathetic nervous system to induce relaxation. You can also practice this while sitting in Yoni Mudra. It will easily take your mind away from the distraction of the world towards the place inwards that is safe and pleasant. The best part about Yogendra Bhramari Pranayama is that it can be practiced by anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. There are no limitations and you can practice wherever you want to. With dedicated practice, this pranayama will also help you reduce anxiety, anger, and frustration. This will make not only your night sleeps better, but also your life's journey peaceful. Give it a try tonight. Namaskar.